Hello and welcome back to this session. Our topic will be minimizing the impact of a ransomware attack. Our main question will be responding to one question. What is the most effective way to minimize the impact of a ransomware attack? So let's dive deeper. Performing frequent backup and storing them offline is one of the most effective ways to minimize the impact of a successful ransomware attack, allowing organizations to restore their data and system without paying the ransom or losing valuable information. There might be some action, but that are not so relevant. For instance, purchasing or renewing cyber insurance policies can help cover some costs and losses associated with a ransomware attack, but does not prevent or mitigate the attack itself. Action like including provision to pay ransoms in information security budget may inadvertently encourage more attack and does not guarantee data recovery or malware removal. You might say, why not network monitoring? Monitoring the network and providing alerts on intrusion can aid in detecting and responding to a ransomware attack, but does not reduce the impact of a successful attack that are already encrypted or exfiltrated the data. The key approach to dealing with ransomware attack is to focus on prevention and mitigation strategies such as frequent backups and offline storage rather than relying solely on reactive measures like insurance policy or ransom payments. Thank you for your attention and your time. See you next.